Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech. And today I had a nuclear stress test, and that's where they inject an isotope in your arm and then they put an x-ray machine over your heart and they check your heart for functioning. This is an Aware electronics Geiger counter with a 9-volt battery and an earphone, and I'm going to turn it on and you're going to see how radioactive I am. Move it away from me. Move it towards me. So I'll be radioactive for a couple days. It's not harmful, but it is scary. I'm still pretty radioactive. I had this done about 8 hours ago. By the way, the nuclear stress test that I had was normal. I was pretty happy about that. Well, it's 20 hours later after I took my nuclear stress test, and I am back with my Aware Electronics Geiger counter. It is an RM60. It was about $150. It's going to measure the radiation from the isotope that they used to do the test. We'll see if I'm still radioactive. Sounds like I am. You guys can hear it. There's a little earphone from this thing. And it's still going crazy. But this should take a couple days before it dissipates. They call that a half-life, but it's a very short half-life. So my stress test was normal. I'm pretty happy about that because I had a heart attack about 1.5 years ago and I have a stent. But I'm going to continue to do crazy tech and puppets. More to come. I've got some planned ventriloquist puppet things, and I still have more tech stuff and puppet parodies planned, so stay tuned. I'm also going to get some hardware, some electronics, and I'm going to be testing more microphones. So thanks for stopping by. If you want to subscribe, the subscribe button is right over there.